Hi friends, welcome back to Excel Map. This is Srinivas Reddy. In this video tutorial, we'll discuss about VLOOKUP with multiple sheets. Already we discussed about what is VLOOKUP, what is HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP with multiple columns, and what are the arguments, and exact match in the VLOOKUP in the previous sessions. Friends, before coming to this video, you have to know exactly what is VLOOKUP, what are the arguments in the VLOOKUP, how it is working. So then only you are able to understand this concept. Now we'll say what is VLOOKUP with multiple sheets with an example. So friends, first I'm taking some sample data. We need multiple sheets of data. In that we'll search for the lookup value where it is exactly from all the sheets. It takes by using VLOOKUP function. So friends, first we'll take multiple sheets of data. We'll search based on the lookup value in all the sheets, and it will take automatically that matched data. See here, like first employee ID, employee name, then we'll take some IDs like 101, 102. So select it. I'm taking just sample data, few rows and columns only. Next employee 01, just select it, and from this select some data, copy and paste here. Again go to sheet 1, here select the data, copy, paste. In the sheet 4, just I'm taking only headings. See here, I'm giving employee ID 106 and delete this extra data. See, there is a data in the sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So in the sheet 4, based on the lookup value, just I wanted to take the employee name. Here, instead of taking huge amount of data, I'm taking a sample data. So this formula we can apply for any huge amount of data also. See friends, first for this 106, just I want to know where it is in the sheet 1 or sheet 2 or sheet 3. Just we have to compare it. We have to compare in all the sheets in which sheet the value is matching corresponding that columns we have to take here by using VLOOKUP. So already we know what is VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP. See, the arguments are very important. Lookup value, table array, column index number, range lookup. So there are 4 arguments. Okay, first 3 are required and the last one is optional argument. So lookup value, table array, column index number, range lookup, just we have to take, and we'll find out the employee name for 106. And here just we have to check in all 3 sheets. Then you can go for first of all if condition or else if error. When I'm using if error, in case if there is any error or else the value is not matching, then we can able to write that error message also. Instead of errors, we'll write our own error messages by using if error function. See, there is a value. Value means we're able to write the formula. Value if error means you can write any error message. See, inside if error, write the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP, say lookup value 106. 106 means that is A2 cell. So first we'll search that 106, that A2 cell is there in the sheet 1 or not. Go to sheet 1, select the range. So in that we need a second column, that is employee name means second column, give 2, comma 0. So one sheet completed. Again comma. Again if error. See, you can observe the formula in the formula bar. If error, again we look up lookup value. Where it is our lookup value in the sheet 4. Again go to the sheet 4, select 106, comma, then table array. Go to the sheet 2. Sheet 1 completed. Again we'll go to the sheet 2 and select the table array complete range. In that also we need employee name. Again second column 2, comma 0. Yeah, sheet 2 also completed. Again if error, we look up where is lookup value in the sheet 4. Go to sheet 4, again select 106, comma, next to table array sheet 3. Go to sheet 3, select complete range. Again, in this also we need second column, comma 0, exact match. See, like how many sheets are there? In every sheet, go to the sheet and select the range, comma, I'm writing a message not found. In case that 106 is not available in all the sheets, then we'll write error message. Your wish, you can write any message. I'm writing simply not found. Close the brackets, 3 brackets, then press enter. See, 106 is employee 6. It is there in the sheet 2. 106 is employee 6. Again change here, 108. Employee 8. Next, if I am giving 110, actually that 110 employee ID is not there. So we got not found. So you can give any number employee ID, automatically the name will change. See here, the formula is, we are writing if error function. Inside the if error, we are writing VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. See, lookup value, table error, column index number, exact match. This is for sheet 1. Again, VLOOKUP. This is for sheet 2. Same lookup value, table error, column index number. Same like sheet 3 also. Lookup value, table error, column index number. See, if it is not match, if it is not there, that lookup value in all the 3 sheets, will get not found message. That is called error message. Because just we are giving inside the if error VLOOKUP function. That's why we can write not found means any error message. So like this, here I am taking only one column. You go for multiple columns also, and you go for huge amount of data also. Instead of taking this small data, you can apply this formula for any data. So friends, like this we'll do VLOOKUP with multiple sheets. Thank you friends for watching this video, and please subscribe our YouTube channel, share these videos to your friends also.